Welcome to Garden Talk. I was out here in the garden and starting to redo my irrigation because we used to have it opposite of how it used to be. We used to have these on the inside over here, and now we have them on the outside over there. And they got pretty sun rot. And we didn't always have it covered properly, so they were dry. I had to remove those. I'm putting them back in, and I was like, oh man, I should be filming this for content. So I went back in the house and put some pants on for you guys. Pants are on. You're welcome. And now I'm going to film it. Let's go. This is some of the old pipe that I pulled up that I may be able to use in pieces here and there. Plus I can use the little parts like that guy right there. Maybe, you know, those little spray heads. This is the new, nice new, not dry rotted pipe that's going in. So we have it ran. This is what I already did off camera. Then realized I need to go put pants on so I can film it for you guys, because I'm like, oh my gosh, that's content. What am I doing? So I've got it strung around on this one. Just got a rock on that end. It's loosely measured. I can trim it as I need to. And yeah, I'm not utilizing this yet. Still haven't pulled up all that crabgrass because it's a pain in the butt. Got my fancy shoes on for you guys. That's not going to go well because it is all still coily. Hopefully it will be about the same length, and I'll just be able to switch it over. It's a little shy. I might have to rethink my move. Although I did leave this up here. I'm going to use a clip. All right, so, and it came right out from underneath that. There. Man, it's too tight. All right. As I destroy some of these things. Right down the middle. If it'll hold. Just have to twist as we go. Or untwist as we go. And there went the mic in the green one. Pink right here. Oh man. Some work. It looks like this is going to be what we need. Ooh. Put that back on. There. Cool. So we've got it ran, if you can see it, all the way down. Even to where we don't use it. And ending right here where we're going to connect it. So this side will work. It's the side we need done first. Bada bing. Now we're into the connector end. Is this the type that goes on here? No. Does this slide perfectly into that? Yes. Will this leak as bad as what they designed? No, it won't. Plus, I'm a kind of run what you brung kind of guy, and that's what we've got. So that's what's going on there. Let's get it. Maybe if I can get this thing situated. All right, don't look at my butt. Pervert. starts. Of course I put it on the wrong way as to where I'm sitting. There we go. Yeah, that's far out too. This is one of the smaller ones. I don't know if this is one of the cheapies that I've got or not. It is humid. It's not too hot today. Nice day to kind of work out in Arizona. Work outside in Arizona. Make sure it's in all the way. There it is. Awesome. No leakies. So, system's on. Now we just got to make all the holes and the spots up there where we're going to water. Here we have our end piece, and we're going to be using that in just a second. You can see where I used to have it done. It was notched out, but we're not going to do that this time. You just insert these right in. Work them, work them, work them till it's on there. There we go. Now I have this guy goes right in here. And then you put that there. And there we have it. That's our end right here. We're gonna go all the way down. That coop door. I gotta get that shut. That's creepy. Back to our mess down here. For all effects and purposes, I usually like to start at the end and work my way backwards with this process. And this tool, I highly recommend. This cuts your hose right here and also does the holes that you need for these guys. Put that end in where this makes a hole. Bada bing, there it is. And this is how you do it. I tend to do them generally for the bed. So I would put it for this. I want it to kind of sprinkle in this area so that I don't overshoot. So right around here is where I want this one. So you go on top. Make your hole and then insert. And with these, you can make them go up and down with how much you want coming out and everything. You can hear air coming out now. And there it is. Now we're overshooting over here, so you just turn that down. There it goes. Now we're just gonna rinse, lather, and repeat, and I'll show you what that looks like. We have it all in. I just turned it on a little bit because I was already watering, but I wanted to show you guys. Yeah, I've got it turned down now because it was, you can see it's watered over, but we've got both sides working. And we took those pots, if you didn't notice, the pots that were here, we took those all out and transplanted most of them. You can see some of the romaine. Cat did a great job transplanting those. That really did a great job on these. I can't believe how well these are holding up. She did a great job on all the transplants, but especially these guys. They're doing great. Look at that. So it goes all the way back. So you got one overshooting back here. That's just great. I'll include the peacock update. He's still hanging around. Thanks for growing with me.